welcome back to a new video, and in fact we have a premiere today. Yes, we are knitting my PULSEIRA Wrist Warmers together with the knitting instructions. You can find all the info on how to download the knitting patterns at my website www.rowenameier.com. Then you'll be ready to go. We will learn together the fair aisle knitting which you need for the PULSEIRA. Now, you might have asked yourself, how did we get two colors together and with two threads at the same time? Hey, that's super easy. It's not difficult at all because I will show you how to do it. I will show you how to read the pattern chart and of course how to knit this lovely houndstooth pattern. What else do you need? You need a double pointed needle set. I recommend size 5mm or US size 8, or you follow the stitch gauge, and scissors on a pad, a darning needle to sew the threads. Then we need some wonderful wool. I can recommend this beautiful from Chaos Yarn, a purple. It's called the Junkie Anden wool. And I have now selected this neon green as its companion. But they have a huge selection of super delicious colors. Really, I can highly recommend. Of course, you can use any other yarn that fits the stitch gauge. And then, as I said, print out the knitting instructions once because we will need this pattern chart. And I recommend also get yourself such a piece of paper ready because we want to mark our rows on the chart for fair knitting a little bit. Okay, here we go. You can find the knitting pattern at my website rowenameier.com. See you!